Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in prerequisites: account progression, stable 60+ FPS, and the core Azure Flames kit. Once done, equip the primary flame skill, mobility option, and 2 defensive mods. This forces consistency. Run a 30-minute drills block focused on target tracking, cooldown timing, and resource pacing. Do 5 repetitions per pattern. You'll build muscle memory and baseline metrics quickly, so make sure to log performance and adjust sensitivity between reps. Now you integrate skills into live sequences. Start by chaining basic attack into mobility, then build to the ultimate. Practice partial sequences, 1/3, 2/3 before full combos. As you do this, prioritize positioning. Use cover, elevation, and 45-degree angling to maximize flame spread and avoid overexposure. Simultaneously manage resources by watching fuel and cooldown windows. Trade a small cooldown for bigger damage when the enemy is vulnerable. Finish by simulating pressure. Run 3 mock matches and record 1 full round for review. This exposes habit errors. Once done, fine-tune sensitivity and keybinds. Aim to reduce unnecessary inputs by roughly 15 to 25% so your execution is cleaner. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot lag immediately. Disable overlays, cap FPS to a stable number, and switch to a wired connection. These fixes eliminate input delay quickly. If issues persist, reset graphics presets and retest before practicing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.